Hello everyone, welcome back to Kids Cook, and we're doing our next segment of Tales and Tales Summertime Kids Cook. And we're here with Raffy today.
Oh, hello, Miss Allison.
Hello, Raffy. I'm so glad you joined me today. And
hold on, I am Sir Mr. Raffy.
Sir Mr. Raffy?
Yes.
Not just Mr. Raffy?
No. Sir.
Okay, Sir Raffy.
Thank you.
Welcome to Kids Cook, Raffy edition. We are going to be making giraffes and lions today with food. And what you're going to need for this, we're going to do our first project. It's going to be our giraffe. A giraffe face made with a nutter butter, peanut butter cracker. Just like that. So that is it's the face of the giraffe.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so we're starting out with that. I put a little peanut butter on the plate to keep it in place for the show today, so it's not going to slide all over the place. And we're going to need a Nilla wafer for this part of the giraffe. And we're going to need 2 eyes and 2 raisins or craisins for the ears, and 2 for those cute little horns, 2 pretzel sticks cut really super short for the horns. Okay, so here we go. Simple dimple. All right, a little bit of peanut butter right here on the bottom.
And that pattern looks so much like my pattern on my...
It does. It's almost a perfect match.
Yes, it's perfect.
Okay, so there's the peanut butter. And I'm sorry for you folks that are allergic to peanut butter. Okay. And there is the mug. There is the lower part of the face. And, we are going to need a little bit of peanut butter on the top of the head right here for the eyes.
Yes, I'm going to keep those on.
A little bit of peanut butter there. We're going to stick 1 eye on and 2 eyes on.
2.
There we go.
2 eyes.
And then the horns. All right, so a little bit of peanut butter on the bottom of that. Keep it in place. Do that. We're going to do, do you like peanut butter, Raffy?
I do. May I have a taste, please?
All the animals that join me and these Kids Cooks love to eat my treats. Okay, and then the ears. I'm going to put a little bit on the bottom of that too. And one little bit on the other side. I believe that's the way it goes. And
looks like my cousin Jack.
It is. The only thing that's missing are the nostrils for the nose. And we have a couple of sprinkles to make the nostrils. So I'm going to just put a little bit more on there.
The giraffe needs to breathe.
Yes, he does. So I'm going to stick 1 little bit of sprinkle there. And then another one. 2 little orange spots there for the nose.
Great.
It's just like that. Isn't he adorable? Now, if you don't want to put peanut butter on top, because it just looks a little bit messier, you can just put those sprinkles on and have the kids help you do it, right?
Yes. Oh, yes, definitely.
So what are you going to do this afternoon, Raffy?
Oh, I don't know. I have some greenery to eat. I have some cookies to eat.
Oh,
you know what I mean?
You definitely have some cookies to eat. Look at you. It looks just like you.
Is that a mirror?
So that's a fun thing to do with your kiddos this summer. Super easy, super fun. And the next one we're going to do is a lion. Now the lion we're going to use hummus, or you could use a dip if you wanted to. I have a little mini size hummus that I found at the grocery store.
Oh, how cute.
And for the mane, we're going to use carrot sticks. And for the eyes, the whiskers, little mouth, and the nose, we're going to use these lovely little olives, black olives. And a little nose will be the Cheerio. So this is a pretty healthy dish, actually.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to form the mane. And this is probably going to slide, so I might, well, you can see it probably from there. I'm just going to kind of just put this around the edges, kind of like you're making a special veggie dip.
Like a sunshine.
Yeah, You're so smart, Rafi. Why didn't Lion come for this one?
Well, you know, he had an appointment. A hair appointment.
Oh yeah, taking care of that mane can be a big.
As you can see.
So
organizing it.
So you can make this as big or as little as you want. If you're having a big group of people and you want to impress them with your cute lion, you might want to put more dip in there.
It'd be nice for a birthday party, I think so.
Yes, I think it'd be nice for a jungle theme or a zoo theme.
Yes.
Or a lion theme.
Yes.
There's one eye. There's two eyes. Oh, let's see how the whiskers are supposed to go. I think that's the mouth actually, but that's okay. There's one and there's two. I'll just lift it up so you can see.
Here's the little nose.
I'm gonna cut up. So you're gonna slice a little slice of the olive to make those whiskers. And a Cheerio for the nose. Can you see? He's adorable. And then this would be a perfect setup for, let's see if I can get it in. Does he look like a lion? This always happens to me, doesn't it?
It looks like a lion, Miss Allison.
I think maybe his eyes are too close together. But anyway, you get the idea. And you'll have fun with this. And you have the kids help you with this too, because they'll love to make a lion. So that's our Tails and Tales Kids Cook for this week. Simple little projects that make your life a little bit more fun. Yeah. And you can use them for party time or for everyday snacks or anything. So thanks so much for coming. And if you try this at home, share it. Show us what you made on our Facebook page, because this will be going up on Facebook this summer. Yay! Thanks so much for joining me today, Rafi.
Oh, thank you, Miss Allison. My pleasure.
Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you next time.
Bye.